Welcome to Nestle's DiGiorno facility in Ohio, the frozen pizza empire.
Every single week, this facility produces over 2 million frozen pizzas.
This 24/7 operation never stops. 3 shifts, 7 days a week.
I'm Sarah Chen, production manager. Today, I'll take you inside every step of how we make America's favorite frozen pizza. Don't forget to subscribe.
From raw ingredients to your freezer, let's see the entire journey. It all starts here. Receiving stations operate around the clock.
Every shipment is temperature verified. Cheese arrives at precisely 2 degrees Celsius.
Our cold storage holds ingredients for 500,000 pizzas at any time. These silos contain over 200,000 pounds of premium flour. Only grade A tomatoes make it into DiGiorno sauce. Fresh tomatoes are crushed within 2 hours of arrival. Sauce cooks for exactly 90 minutes at controlled temperature.
We shred 40,000 pounds of cheese every single day.
Every batch is lab tested for moisture, fat content, and melt characteristics.
Even pepperoni slices must meet exact specifications, 3.5 inches diameter.
The secret DiGiorno seasoning blend, perfectly measured every time.
Even supporting toppings get individual attention. Digital tracking ensures the right ingredients reach the right line. Our automated delivery system moves 2 tons of ingredients per hour.
AI-powered systems predict ingredient needs 48 hours in advance.
This is where the magic begins, the dough room.
Each batch uses exactly 248 pounds of flour. Precision matters. Water temperature affects yeast activation, controlled to the degree. Fresh yeast cultures, the secret to DiGiorno's rising crust. Mixing takes exactly 12 minutes. The dough transforms before your eyes.
Temperature, speed, and timing are constantly monitored.
The window pane test, proof of perfect gluten structure.
Each batch yields enough dough for 2,800 pizzas.
Automated portioning ensures every pizza starts identical.
In the proofing room, dough rises for exactly 1 hour.
The dough doubles in size as yeast creates thousands of air pockets.
Quality control checks internal structure of every batch.
Each crust is pressed at exactly 180 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal texture.
Now comes the sauce, the heart of every pizza.
Robotic precision spreads exactly 4.2 ounces on every pizza.
Perfect sauce distribution, not too thick, not too thin. This hopper holds 2,000 pounds of fresh, shredded mozzarella. 6.5 ounces of real mozzarella on every pizza.
Gentle vibration ensures perfect cheese distribution.
Premium pizzas get artisan cheese hand applied.
AI cameras verify cheese coverage on 100% of pizzas.
Quality failures are instantly removed. Less than 0.5% rejection rate. Welcome to Toppings, where pizzas get their personality.
Our pepperoni placer applies 28 slices per pizza with robotic precision.
Pre-cooked sausage ensures consistent flavor and food safety.
Vegetable pizzas still need the human touch for perfect presentation.
Premium toppings like Canadian bacon are still hand-placed.
Every pizza is weighed, ensuring you get what you pay for.
AI verifies topping placement meets our standards.
Subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory documentaries.